fingers out loud for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11? You've got 11 fingers?
10.
You've got 10?
Sorry, get me out of here.
Just a quick snippet of this lady. You will have seen her before if you're regular to this channel, but this time I'm showing the unabridged full video set. So keep watching inside and I'll explain a bit more before you see the video. Hi there, my name's Taran Mirza. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist, and usually every week I take a complete set working with someone and break it down into sections and discuss that in a hypnosis tutorial fashion. But a couple of weeks ago someone asked me to show complete sets, and I'm responding. This is why it's very important that you leave a comment in the comment section below, because if you suggest something and I like the idea, then it might just happen. So please do leave your comments in the comment section below. You'll have seen this girl in various short snippets. That's the way I usually like to work, breaking it down, taking a complete set where I'll hypnotize someone, induce them into hypnosis. I'll do a skit with one funny idea, a skit with another funny idea, maybe another skit, and then wake them up again. But this week you're going to see the complete skit unabridged. As always, as I said last week, I do leave in the description section, I do leave links to all videos associated with that one set. So if you are watching a tutorial, if you come across a tutorial next and you see someone, maybe just the induction and the first skit, you'll see the other skits as I release them in the description section below. I always go back and update those description sections, so check that out. If there's any video which you don't see the complete set at, you'll still be able to follow the complete journey of that individual. But I'm taking a break from the tutorials for a while, just to give people complete sets. So I'm not going to come back like I usually do after this video is finished. I'm just going to show the video right start to finish and end on the trailer. So thanks very much for watching this video. Do give us a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the big red subscribe button so you get to see all the videos from me, and that bell notification button next to the subscribe button. Make sure you click that so you get notifications. And as I said there, leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any thoughts about this video. If anything's not clear, this video has been previously released in sections, so do check that out as well if you want a breakdown of what's going on in the background. And always, again, in the description section there's chapters, so you can jump straight to the chapter. So even if you're listening to this and you say, I wish I was finished talking, let's just go straight to the video, which is coming up in 2 seconds, I promise you, then check out the chapter sections for YouTube. But enough of that, let's watch the video. Happy enough to be hypnotized by me today?
Yes.
Good stuff. And your name is?
Shelley.
Shelley, look at your hand. Look at the lines of your hand. Pick one spot and one line. You don't need to say a thing. Just look at that spot. And notice as I move that hand towards your forehead now. Notice how your eyes begin to change focus. That's right. And notice how your hand continues to move towards your forehead all by itself. That's right. And you don't need to be aware if you're blinking or even the rate at which you're swallowing now. That's right. And you can close your eyes down, just let that hand continue to float towards your forehead, knowing when that hand touches your forehead, your legs will support you, your back will support you, and just as before, you'll just go into a wonderful, wonderful feeling of hypnosis, as again, your legs will support you, your back will support you, as you go down deeper and deeper, and sleep now, way down, deeper, deeper, deeper you go. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting, sinking down, even deeper still. And in a moment, I'm going to count from 10 down to 1. With every count I count, go down even deeper. So 10, doubling that feeling of relaxation. 9, even deeper, even more relaxed. 8, 7, so deep, so relaxed. In a moment, I'm going to get to the number 1. By the time I get to the number 1, your unconscious will take you to a place where everything I say will become your reality. So 5, so deep. 4, doubling it once again. 3, 2, and 1. Way down, deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. In the count of 3, you can open your eyes and be back with us. But every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your head will drop down to your chest, your eyes will close, and you'll go 10 times deeper. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3. What was that like? And sleep now, way down, 10 times deeper, 10 times more relaxed. And 1, 2, 3, open your eyes, and sleep now, way down, even deeper, even more relaxed. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and this time in the count of 3 you're going to feel so relaxed, so comfortable in the position you're in now. It's going to feel like your feet are stuck to those tiles, like you're cemented to the floor, like you're glued, like you're nailed to the floor. You cannot move your feet, and the more you try and move those feet, the more those feet are going to just lock and stick to the floor. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Feeling good? Good stuff. And go ahead now and try and move those feet. Try and move those feet. Locked and stuck. The harder you try, the harder they stick. Really try. Really try. What's that like?
I can't move my feet.
Really try. Really try. Move those feet. The harder you try, the harder they stick. There you go. Isn't that cool? And watch my hand and sleep down. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel now. In a minute, we're going to count from 1 to 3, and this time in the count of 3, your feet will no longer be stuck. But your feet will only become unstuck. Only as quickly as your name sticks to the back of your mind. Only as quickly as your name sticks to the back of your mind. You know what it's like when you can't remember a name. You say, I know that person's name, but I just cannot say it. And the harder you try to say that name just locks and sticks to the back of your mind. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. How you feeling now? Just make sure you can move your feet. Wasn't that cool?
Yeah.
And like I say, I've got a terrible head for names, and your name is? Do you know these folks here?
Yes.
Even if you hear it, you can't say it. What's your name? What's your name? Try and say it. What's your name?
Shelley.
Try and say it, you can't.
You not talk?
How do you try? How do you can't?
It's not good, is it?
Tell me this. You know your surname. You can say your surname. Your surname is?
Jill.
And your first name, and you can't try and say it?
Shit.
How do you try? The harder it sticks. Tell you what, when you sing your name in rhyme, you can say your name. So sing the birthday song. Go on, you can do it.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Shelley. Happy birthday to me.
And it's gone again. What's your name? How do you try the harder it sticks? What's your name? Tell you, when I tap you in the forehead, your name is Bob. What's your name?
Bob.
How do you do, Bob?
I'm alright.
Good stuff. And who named you Bob? Your mum or your dad? Can you remember? Did they ever tell you?
I don't know.
You don't know? And how do you spell that? How do you spell Bob?
B-O-B.
B-O-B. Do you have any ID on you just to check that's your name? Is there your driver's license or an ID and credit card?
Bank card.
Bank card.
I don't know.
There you go. That's your bank card?
Yep.
What's the name written on it?
Michelle.
What's your name? What's your name? Bob. B-O-B. What's your name?
Bob.
This is your bank card?
Yes.
And what's that name?
Michelle.
What's your name?
Shelley.
What's your name? Bob. That's right. What's your name?
Bob.
How do you do, Bob? Put your card back in the card. There you go. Look at me. Sleep. Way down. Sleep. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. In a moment, we're going to count from 1 to 3. In the count of 3, your name will come back to you fully. Your name will come back to you fully. Your name is no longer Bob. Your name will come back to you fully. But just as quickly as your name comes back to you, the number 7 just disappears from your mind. You know what it's like to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's how you count. That's how you've always counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nod your head, you understand. That number between 6 and 8 has just disappeared out of view. You will not be able to say that number. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. And your name is? Of course it is, of course it is. Tell you what, I'm going to do a bit of fun experiment. Just for the kids here. Hold your hands up like this here, and I want you to count really loud. Count your fingers. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. That number 7 just disappears from your mind. You will not be able to say the number 7. You know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's how you count. That's how you've always counted. Nod your head that you understand. All that other numbers just disappear from your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's how you count. That's how you've always counted. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Anyway, we were counting. We were counting. Count your fingers out loud for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. You've got 11 fingers.
I've got 10.
You've got 10.
Sorry, get me out of here.
Let's count again. Count again. 1,
2, 3,
She always had 11 fingers.
Yes.
Hold up this hand. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
5. There's 5 in that hand. Hold up this hand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 in that hand. 5 and 5 is?
10.
Hold up your hands. Let's count from the start. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8,
11 fingers.
11.
Let's do some simple math. What's 1 and 1? Math with her. 1 and 1? 2 and 2?
4,
5 and 2?
7.
Go on now. 5 and 2? What about 3 and 4? What's 3 and 4?
I know in my head.
Tell you what, we'll do movie quiz. Movie quiz. What do you call that movie? What do you call that movie? Snow White and how many dwarfs? It's gone now. How do you try that? How it's gone? Snow White and how many dwarfs? Really try. How do you try the harder it sticks? Tell you what. Maybe she needs a bit of motivation. I'll give you £5 if you can tell me how many dwarfs there were in the Snow White movie.
8.
It's not right. It's not right. I'll give you £10. £10 if you can tell me how many dwarfs were there in the Snow White movie.
6.
Is that right? She says it's not right. 15. That's the last one. 15. How many dwarfs were there in the Snow White movie? It's gone. Really gone. Can't say it.
Felicity, tell me.
No. Money's away. So it's not. It's nice to see that there's a woman that's not motivated by money. There's so many women just want money, but she's not motivated by money. Sleep now. Way down. Deeper, relax. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and on the count of 5, the number 7 will come back to you fully. You will remember your name fully. You will not feel like you're ever stuck to the floor anymore. But when you awake, you'll feel full of life, full of energy, like you've had a 12-hour sleep, like you've had a 6-hour massage. Full of energy, full of life. Do whatever it is you want to do in life. Ready to go, ready to be zoomed, ready to be powerful inside. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, feeling that feeling of hypnosis just disappear from the tips of your toes. 2, washing up to your legs, to your stomach, to your pelvis. 3, take a deep breath in. Feel that energy washing through you. 4, washing into your head like a fresh mountain breeze blowing all the way through you. Feeling really energized, full of life. And 5, wide awake, stretch. Big round of applause, guys. Did you enjoy that experience? Thanks very much. You were a great star.
I know. I couldn't get it out.
Tell you what. Just to check everything's gone. Hold your hands up like this here. Count your fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Perfect. High five. Good stuff. Tell the camera, what do you think of hypnosis today?
Amazing.
Thank you very much.